Hey, I'm Emily over at Matador, and today I'm gonna run you through how I pack one bag for summer travel. Let's dive in. I love that. All right, let me try again. Okay. Summer travel sounds easy until you start getting into all the logistics, long travel days, different locations, weather. I've traveled to over 50 countries, and this is how I would pack one bag for a summer trip. Everything starts with the main bag, and for this we're bringing the Globe Rider 35. I personally love this bag because it's really versatile and spacious. It carries everything I need it to, and I've used it for anything from a weekend trip to a 9-day international trip to Asia. It has a lot of really cool features. So it's got this ultra comfortable carry harness and a stowable hip belt. So I can carry it through airports, taxis, and it has this wraparound zipper clamshell style, so you can open the bag or you can also access it from the top. And it also has this front pocket, so you can fit a few extra things like a book, a jacket, and then zipper security loops as well. So I just feel really comfortable and safe with this bag, and it really does everything I need it to. Packing cubes are a game changer for organization. I always trick my friends into thinking I'm a lot more organized than I actually am. And I use the biggest one for pants, and usually I'll bring 1 to 2 nice outfits, so maybe a dress, a pair of shorts. And then the middle one I use for tops, and the smallest one I keep for socks, underwear, swimsuits. And I like the combination of these 3 sizes to just really manage everything that I'm bringing for a long trip. Laundry is probably the least fun part of travel, but it is really important. I always bring the Packable Laundry Bag, and I like this one because it packs down really small into its own pocket, so when you're not using it, it really doesn't take up that much space. This one is nice because it has hang loops, so I will just fill it throughout my trip. And then there's a top zipper and also a zipper in the front, so you can access it either way. It's really great for just dropping it off at a laundromat. And then when I'm traveling, I'll keep it in my bag and put all my dirty clothes in it to keep it separate from my clean clothes, and that way I can stay fresh throughout my trip. Next up, FlatPak Travel Toiletries. I really like the Forget-Me-Not orange because even if my bag is full, I'm still gonna be able to find them, and I'm not gonna leave them behind at a hotel while I'm traveling. I like the zipper toiletry case for putting liquids. Summer travel means sunscreen, skincare routine, and then your normal stuff like shampoo, conditioner. I put my toothbrush and my toothpaste in here, and my makeup as well. And it just keeps everything contained. Stuff isn't gonna spill in my bag and get all gross. The travel soap bar case is really cool because you can put wet soap in and then overnight it'll dry out. You could even do a shampoo bar if you don't wanna worry about more liquids. And it really just keeps everything contained so it doesn't get gunky inside your bag. Next is the dry bag, and these are great for beach days. You can put your wet swimsuit in, towels, and keep them separate so the rest of your stuff doesn't get gross. And you could also put your valuables in there whenever it's raining to keep them safe. Next up, we have the Global Travel Adapter. And this has been great for anywhere that I've been because it works in over 170 countries. You can also plug up to 6 devices in here at once so that you can stay charged wherever you're at. And there's a button on the side which allows you to choose the region that you're going to. So I never leave home without this guy. We also have the ReFraction packable backpack, and this is great for a day pack because you're not gonna wanna lug around your main bag everywhere you go. So this is nice because it carries all your essentials for the day, and then it packs down really small, so it really doesn't take up that much space in your main bag whenever you're not using it. Sleeping during transit can be really tricky, and I used to always avoid a pillow because I always thought they were really bulky. I didn't want them hanging outside my bag. But this is nice because it packs into its sleeve, so it's really discreet when you're not using it, and you can inflate it with just a few breaths in this valve right here. It also has these drawstrings, so you can adjust this and you can make it tighter or looser. The bamboo lining is so soft, and so it feels really nice and comfortable, and you can inflate it so that it has the perfect amount of support for your neck. I sleep like a baby now. Next, we have the ReFraction Packable Sling. This is great for your valuables like your phone, wallet, keys, little things that you want to have on hand. You can wear it crossbody or around your waist. It has this adjustable strap so you can make it fit how you like it. It also packs down into its own pocket like the rest of our ReFraction series. For the outdoor adventure portion of my trip, I like to have the Free Reign 22 waterproof packable backpack. And it's nice because it has a roll top closure, so it rolls down 3 times and clips to the side, and everything inside is gonna stay safe and dry. So whether I'm hiking to waterfalls, I'm on a boat or a beach, or anything that you might get wet, it's gonna be protected. And it packs down into this little stuff sack, so it's really small and really doesn't take up much real estate inside of your bag. Let's talk travel towels because it's really easy to forget them or think that you don't need it, but they're actually so useful. I love it for if I'm traveling to a hostel or maybe just the accommodation towel situation is not ideal. And this is nice because it has a carabiner so you can clip it to the outside of your bag. Because it's NanoDry, it dries really quickly, and it also has a little vent here which helps with that drying process. It's full size, so it really does its job. And now that I've used this, I really can't go back. For summer trips, I like to have a full-size towel for the beach. So the NanoDry packable beach towel is awesome because it packs into its own pocket, it's full size, quick drying, and it's great for any outdoor adventures or maybe like a beach day. So it folds out and then you can fold it back in and zip it right back up. And that's my summer travel setup. So one bag, everything stays dry, safe, and organized. We have linked everything in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm Emily from Matador. Thanks for watching.